Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I will be doing a headband wig review sponsored by XCSUNNY. Let's get into it. This is the packaging that it comes in. Inside the package, they included 2 headbands. This one, and this is the second one. This is cute. I like this yellow. Then the hair. This hair is a Afro Kinky type texture. It is in 14 inches. And the density is 180% density. So this is the hair right out the package. Inside, this wig does have a front clip. And then it has 2 side clips, as well as a clip in the back. And if you're not familiar with a headband wig is pretty much like a half wig. There's a band, a pre-attached band that comes on the wig with a Velcro strap in the back that allows you to tighten or loosen the wig on your head. These are pretty popular now, especially since there's a shortage on lace front wigs. I'm super excited to try this headband wig. It is human hair, 100% human hair. So I am not going to put this hair on just yet. I am going to wash this hair. I want to see if I can redefine these curls. I'm not feeling this fro look, how it comes out of the package. I think I can tweak it a little bit to my liking. So I am going to wash this hair. All right, let's go wash this hair. That the hair is clean, I am going to apply some leave-in conditioner by Cantu leave-in conditioner. Just apply that all to the hair and just finger comb it through. The curls really stretched a lot after cleaning it. So now I am just going to apply a curling custard by Auntie Jackie's. I'm gonna apply this all over the hair using this detangling brush. I'll show you one section and then I'm gonna do it all over the wig. Already did my edges with using 24-hour edge tamer. Let's go ahead and put on this headband wig. to tuck this band just a little bit. I do like showing my edges. I did not dry the hair. I just air dried it. I wrapped a towel around it. One of my hair towels that really does a good job with sucking out the moisture. And then I didn't dry it at all. I just air dried it. All right, so let's try on some different headbands. I'm gonna try this yellow one. I purposely just wore just a plain white shirt so I can try on a few headbands with you guys. So let's try this one. See if I can get this over this hair. Ooh. All right, this is gonna be a struggle. I am loving this wig because it looks like my hair. Like if I were to take my hair out, this is pretty much what my hair would look like. So I am loving that. I love the length. I don't know if I would try to style it any other way than just wearing it in its natural fro look with the headband. I think I would. Let's do a couple more. So I'm gonna try this little leopard print headband. Just give it a different look. Yep, I like that. That's cute. Okay. That's another thing I love about these headband wigs. You can style it different ways by dressing it up or dressing up your outfit with a casual headband or a more dressier headband. A velvet, like burgundy headband. This is so pretty. I really like this one too. Super easy. I mean, you pop on this hair, go run your errands or go out somewhere. I mean, it's very versatile. Very. It's so bouncy and flowy. It's secure. Like I said, I really like that this headband has a clip in the front because that definitely helps with slipping and sliding. I did not use the side clips. I just did the front clip and the back clip and then used the band to the elastic band to secure it. And this is what it looks like. All right, y'all, tell me what you think. Again, this is a headband wig, Afro Kinky headband wig from XCSUNNY. Tell me what you think about the hair. I absolutely love it. I will definitely be purchasing more wigs from them. Don't forget to leave the comments below, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me.